Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to pause recurring transfers on Stash. If you don't have a Stash account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $20 of bonus stock after depositing cash. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for AutoStash. Click on Manage AutoStash. On this page, under AutoStash, you will see a section for recurring transfers. Click on Recurring Transfers. Under Manage Recurring Transfers, you will see another section for recurring transfers. Click on Recurring Transfers. Now, you will see a button that says Pause Transfers. Click on Pause Transfers. Then a pop-up window will appear. To proceed, click on the button that says Pause Recurring Transfers. That's how you pause recurring transfers on Stash. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.